Hello, this is the wise owl coming at you from the city where I live. For many years, I've been studying the periodic table of elements and looking for easier ways to remember the chemical symbols and atomic numbers and atomic mass and orbits and everything. But however, I discovered many ways to facilitate my studies and how to retain them in my memory. One way is to the chemical symbols and atomic numbers, that is to use names, first name, last name, even middle initials, whatever, of people's name, even my name. So if you got to take a quiz or a test in chemistry, and you have a name that has a lot of chemical symbols in them, you may be able to help you retain in memory those chemical symbols and atomic numbers, so you can have some help in memorizing these chemical symbols, atomic number. Okay, so whatever your name is, you may have. For example, if your name is Connors, capital Conners, Connors. Your name, you have chemical symbols and atomic numbers in your name. Let's take, for example, the C, capital C and a small o, capital C and a small o, and that's and the capital C and a small o is the chemical symbol for cobalt. Cobalt, C, capital C-O-B-A-L-T, cobalt. Okay, and atomic number is 27. However, if you're beginning to study the periodic table of elements, and you're trying to study just the chemical symbols, then just block these numbers in the bottom, and just worry about the chemical symbols right here. That's the best way to do it, like that. But if you want to study both, then here it is, with atomic number. Okay, we got a CO for cobalt. You got capital N7 twice. Capital N7. Capital N7. Capital N is the chemical symbol for nitrogen. Capital Nitrogen. Okay? And 7 is atomic number. We have two N's. Then we got capital E and a small r. Capital E and a small r. We took the E here and made it into a capital E. And that's 68 atomic number. Capital E and a small r is the chemical symbol for erbium. Erbium. Capital E-R-B-I-U-M. Then we took the capital S. So we took the small s and made it into a capital S with atomic number 16. Atomic number 16. Capital S is the chemical symbol for sulfur. Capital S for sulfur, which is capital S-U-L-F-U-R. All right? And that's number Connors. If your name is Connors, or know somebody named Connors, you can use this name to study. Now be careful now, because the C and the O can be separated in the word Connor. Let's go down more. See, you says R, you can use C for carbon, or atomic number is 6. You can use and take the small O, separate that from the C, and put a capital O for oxygen. Okay? Now everything here remains the same. 7, 7, 6, 8, 68, 16, 7, 7, 68, 16. All that remains the same, except for you separate the capital O, then the capital C and the small o. You separate it and use the capital O for oxygen. See what you did here? Capital CO becomes capital C and then capital O. And capital C is for carbon, capital C-A-R-B-O-N, and capital O is for oxygen, which is capital O-X-Y-G-E-N. And what you have here is a chemical symbol 6 for carbon, 8 atomic number for oxygen. Then we got the name Becky. Becky, capital B-E-C-K-Y for Becky. You know anybody named Becky? Maybe your name is Becky. Okay, we got capital B and a small e with atomic number of 4, and that's for beryllium. Capital B and a small e is the chemical symbol for beryllium, which is capital B-E-R-Y-L-L-I-U-M. Then we got the C for carbon. The chemical symbol for carbon with atomic number is 6. Carbon is capital C-A-R-B-O-N. Then we got the K, capital K, for potassium, and atomic number of 16. Atomic number of 19, excuse me. Capital K for potassium with atomic number of 19, excuse me. Not 16, 19. And capital K, you have to be careful, is for potassium, which is spelled capital Potassium. Be careful, okay? With this, okay? Capital K is for potassium. Then we got capital Y for yttrium with atomic number of 39. Yttrium is spelled capital Y, T-T-R-I-U-M. Capital Y, T-T-R-I-U-M. And you got Becky, the name Becky. How about Winona? Capital W-I-N-O-N-A. You got capital W with atomic number of 74, and that and W and capital W is atomic is the chemical symbol for tungsten. Capital T-U-N-G-S-T-E-N. Then you got the capital I. You took a small I and put a capital I with atomic number of 53. Capital I is a chemical symbol for iodine. Capital I-O-D-I-N-E. Then you got N-O. N-O for capital N, small O, with atomic number of 102 for Nobelium. Nobelium. Capital N-O is a chemical symbol for Nobelium. N-O-B-E-L-I-U-M. Then we got capital N-A for sodium with atomic number of 11. Capital N-A is a chemical symbol for sodium. Capital S-O-D-I-U-M. Now, if you want to, you can take the N-O here, the N-O, and you can do this. You can do this with the N-O. You can take the N for 7 for nitrogen and 8 for oxygen. O. You can do that. You see what I'm saying to you? And then you can just put it right here. You can put Na. And right here you can put W. I. See what I did here? It can be done this way too. All right? I'm going to write all this down in the description box below, so you can have it with you when you go down there. Just push a little arrowhead at the bottom of this title. YouTube, my video, and you'll get you open the box, description box. It's his description. All right, all this will be written down there. This Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out.